Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing another power bank. Now this does look obviously similar to the other video I did. I'm going to be doing a ton of power bank videos as well as speaker and audio in general in the next few weeks. But it does look very similar to this one because it's by the same company. But this is the power bank. The specs on this is a 26,800 milliamp and it says solar, so I guess they use the same packaging for everything. It is a non-wireless charging device. Product, you have power your life, power your work. Thank you for choosing us, and then they have an activated 12-month warranty. Sure, you just have to contact them or something, and they're probably going to tell you to do a review for them. And then right here you have a clear instruction user manual. Let's get the power bank first. Put it aside. So here are the cables. We have a USB type C to USB type C, as well as a USB type A to USB type C. So it's really cool that they include both. So here's the power bank. Like I said, it is not a wireless charging one, so just a normal 26,000. Oh, first of all, compared to the other one, I can tell it's already a lot, not smaller, but thinner, I guess, because there's not a charging coil, even though that doesn't make a huge difference. You have 3 USB ports and 1 PD port, which is an in and out. You have 2 USB 3.0 ports and a USB 2.0, as well as a PD in and out port. The power delivery, which meaning it's a type C port basically. A lot of information there. Anyways, yeah, it's all made out of polycarbonate. It feels a little cheap, under $30 for sure, so you'll be good on that. Glossy plastic on top and bottom, and then as well as the LED display, it's glossy. I really like the LED displays on the power banks because it's really accurate. It tells you other information like if it's fast charging, if you're charging, etc. So the battery capacity is a 3.7 volt, 26,800 milliamp. The input is at 5 volts, 3 amps at a max of 9 volts, 2.0 amp. And the output is 5 volts, 3 amps, all the way up to 12 volts, 1.5 amps. The Type C port is the fastest, obviously. I recommend using that. If you have an iPhone or an Android, charging this, it will be really quick. And obviously it decreases the more you use the ports. So if you're using all 4, it'll charge slower. If you're using just 1, it'll charge the fastest. So this device is at 100%. We're gonna go ahead and drain it real quick, and then we're gonna get it to 80% and then charge it for 10 minutes. So bear back. All right, as you can see, we have our power bank here. It's at 35%. Our phone is at 76%. It's on the stand. We're gonna get the cable, Type C to Type C. Bottom of the device, PD port, and then we're gonna go ahead and let that rest. We're gonna just move this right here and just keep it charged. We're gonna do it on a time lapse, so we're gonna keep note of the time and the charge. I believe it's been about 10 minutes. I think we started around 5:30. So it is 89%, so charged about 10% in 10 minutes, which is typical on Type C. But this is pretty good for a portable charger. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.